Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Cash Fix. Today I'm replacing this engine mount, the top engine mount for the Lexus 2004 ES330 models. It's the same way, the same mount, and it's the same procedure if you have 2002 until 2006 Toyota Camrys. It's also called a dog bone mount. This looks like a dog bone, but here it is. This is the one. It's broken. You can see it from the side. I'll show you once I remove it. It's a pretty straightforward procedure. All you have to do is just remove this one bolt, 14mm bolt, this one, and this 14mm bolt, and the mount will come out. Let's go ahead and get started. Close this door. This bolt. Right. Pull this out. Take this up. And it should be free. And pull it towards you. There you go. With this cab, as you see, this is a broken right here. Let's go ahead and get this part replaced. Alright, slide the new mount or the replacement mount you have. There you go. Line the small board for the top one. Start with your hand. And the longer board. Alright, so here's the second board. Start with your hand. Up. So this is how we replace the engine mount, top engine mount on Lexus and Camry's models, ES330 or 300 or 2002 Toyota Camry until 2006. This is a pretty straightforward job. Just held by two bolts, 14mm bolts, and that's it. Thank you for watching and liking and sharing. Subscribe my channel. Please stay tuned. I'll be back with another helpful video.